Stop everything you're doing. What if I told you one single AI tool could replace 5 different apps probably paying for right now? This isn't science fiction. This is happening today. This tool can write your emails, blogs, and even video scripts. It can take a 2-hour-long podcast or lecture and summarize it into key points in seconds. Need a stunning image for your next project? It can generate it from a simple text description. It even helps you create viral social media posts and can assist you with coding, even if you're a total beginner. The tool is ChatGPT. Seriously, if you're not using this by 2026, you're going to be left in the dust. Want to stay ahead of the curve? Follow me for more insane AI tools just like this one. Thanks for watching.